Let's make these super cute gum paste flowers. First, we need to make our gum paste, and we do this with Loren's Tragacanth gum powder. Combine 3 cups confectioner's sugar and a tablespoon of the gum powder, give it a whisk and set it aside. In a separate microwave-safe bowl, add 4 tablespoons of warm water, 2½ teaspoons of unflavored gelatin, and a tablespoon of light corn syrup. Heat this in the microwave for 15 seconds and make sure it is fully combined. Now you can add your gum and confectioner's sugar mixture. Transfer this to a mixing bowl. Grab your dough hook attachment and we're going to use this to mix. Mix on medium speed and you'll slowly watch this combine. Now we have our gum paste dough. Wrap your dough in 2 layers of plastic wrap, store in an airtight container and let it rest for 24 hours. Now that we've let our dough rest, we can work with it. Sift and add 1 cup of confectioner's sugar to your dough. Knead the sugar into the dough until it's no longer sticky. This is a great time to add some color. So I just added some soft pink gel color and then I rolled out my dough so I can start to make my flowers. A simple way to make these gum paste flowers is to use cookie cutters in different shapes, and they turned out so cute. I just pressed the cookie cutter into the dough and removed the excess. Once I had all of my shapes for the flowers cut out, I added a dab of edible glue and started to add some sprinkles in the center. This is really fun because you can mix and match the sprinkles and add large ones, small ones, and different colors. These gum paste flowers are the perfect accent for your cakes and cupcakes. Give it a try and I know you'll love it. Happy baking, besties!